Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we are able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. Today in this video, we will learn about can Alchemy become 1000x? The Alchemy Exchange is a decentralized advertising exchange that is constructed on top of the hypergraph of the Constellation network. Alchemy Exchange will host a media exchange auction in real time on the hypergraph using the open RTB standards for programmatic advertising, which will be implemented via the development of a hosted state channel, AllEx. In the advertising industry, AllEx is a state channel that facilitates a programmatic exchange that will provide cost savings and fraud prevention for all stakeholders: users who are exposed to digital advertising, publishers who host advertising, and advertisers who purchase digital media. AllEx is a state channel that facilitates a programmatic exchange that will provide cost savings and fraud prevention for all stakeholders in the advertising industry. Scalable protocol, termed the Hypergraph Transfer Protocol, is being used to construct the Alchemy Exchange, which is being designed to be built on top of the Hypergraph HGTP. HGTP enables developers to design their data types while simultaneously employing Constellation's concurrent consensus process to evaluate the data type and schema they have defined. Their technique allows for faster and more secure data processing when dealing with large amounts of data. It is the only decentralized network that can provide Alchemy Exchange with the speed, security, and immutability that are required for online serving and transferability of media between network users. Alchemy Exchange announces NFT rewards collection, AllX the Alchemist. AllX the Alchemist is a limited edition NFT collection created by Alchemy Exchange that will be released in the near future, according to the company. The collection of NFTs, which provide utility and benefits for holders of $ADS tokens, staking them on the Lattice exchange platform, will be raffled off at the end of the month, and individuals will be eligible to win a selection of NFTs from the collection. AllX the Alchemist. At the scientific fair, his peers were constantly amazed by AllX's ability to market his answer, and he was well aware that he was not your typical scientist. After becoming tired with ineffective studies, a lack of transparent data, and the excessive expenditures associated with maintaining a lab, AllX decided to call it quits on his scientific career. After meticulously evaluating transparent sets of auditable data, AllX realized he was destined to be an entrepreneur. As a result, he formed the Alchemy Exchange and started to build a community of alchemists, people who believed in the same things he did: transparency and auditability, NFT eligibility. Individuals that stake a minimum of $10,000 ADS tokens on the Lattice exchange when staking begins on the 24th of November will be eligible to draw an NFT from a pool of 500 special NFTs, which will be drawn from a pool of 500 special NFTs. Each tranche of $10,000 ADS stake results in the acquisition of one drawing ticket. These are 5 types of NFTs. 1. Ultra rare. 2. Medium rare. 3. Rare. 4. Common. 5. Alchemy Community NFT. The NFTs that are ultra rare, medium rare, rare, and common in nature unlock extra deposit incentives. It is not necessary to make a deposit to participate in the Alchemy Community NFT. Nevertheless, members will get VIP perks such as early access to Roadmap, VIP Telegram and Discord servers, and Alchemy merchandise. Even while individuals betting less than $10,000 ADS do not qualify for an NFT at this time, we already have ideas on how to reward them in the future as well. Alchemy Exchange delivers the first NFT-based blockchain gaming experience. Blockchain gaming is the wave of the future for cryptocurrencies, and Alchemy wants to be at the forefront of this burgeoning sector of the economy. Alchemy Exchange recently announced a release of AllX into the metaverse, a breakthrough newfangled technology arcade game Despite the fact that NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are becoming more popular, they are still neglected as a technical component. To date, non-volatile storage devices are almost solely employed to store digital artwork. AllX, which is integrated into the metaverse, enables users who have received an NFT via Alchemy Exchange to load their customized NFT avatars into the arcade, allowing them to compete against other users. AllX Into the Metaverse is a side-scrolling action-adventure game in which players must dodge asteroids at all costs and combat invading aliens in order to complete the game. Flappy Bird-style platform game, AllX Into the Metaverse enables players to pilot their NFT avatar across space while competing for top scores and accumulating rewards. Besides providing real-world benefit for NFT projects in general, this dynamic game also gamifies the blockchain experience in a novel manner. Alchemy Exchange staking pool on Lattice Exchange. Alchemy Exchange has announced the launch of its smart contract platform and the deployment of its first smart contract. A user may sign up to participate in the staking pool via the Lattice Exchange, where they can also find out more information on the staking procedure on Lattice. This achievement represents a significant step forward in Alchemy's exchange objective to provide fewer and better advertisements on the Internet, rewarding consumers for visiting the Internet rather than penalizing them as they do now. If you stake a minimum of $10,000 ADS tokens and you also participate in the NFT rewards collection, you will be eligible to draw an NFT from a pool of 500 special NFTs, which will be distributed to individuals who participate in both programs. Tokens that have been staked will be locked in for a period of 3 months. Alchemy price prediction from 2022 to 2025, which help you to understand about Alchemy 1000x potential. The cryptocurrency field is poised to enter the mainstream in the near future, and each project is developing its own strategy for surviving and dominating in the market. We will attempt to address the following commonly asked questions. Is Alchemy, $ADS, a good investment? In 2025, how much will Alchemy be worth? Or, in 5 years, how much will Alchemy be worth? The process of estimating price variations and forecasting future pricing is a difficult one to say the least. Alchemy price today is 0.221542, with a 24-hour trading volume of 213,954. $ADS price is down minus 5.6% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of $0 ADS coins and a total supply of 250 million. Alchemy price prediction 2022. Alchemy's price might soar to 0.38 in 2022 if it is widely adopted and collaborates with other significant blockchain networks. If we don't change things up, the price ranges will become quite fashionable. A maximum price of 0.38 in 2022 is possible if all goes according to plan. $ADS price prediction 2023. To put it another way, Alchemy's price will soar as a result of the large community that has embraced it. If the market is more bullish or bearish than ever, the price movements are much more difficult to forecast. Alchemy will cost around 0.48 in 2023, according to the most recent forecast. We can obtain the best deal we can at 0.54. This year's end-of-year Alchemy pricing estimate is about 0.50. The crypto market's price range is predicted to see a significant amount of movement. Alchemy price prediction 2024. The Bitcoin market is driven by volatility. Forecasting and keeping up with current prices is difficult nowadays. There are a lot of crypto analysts involved in this. For the years specified, the price estimates are accurate. There is still a lot of anxiety among cryptocurrency users regarding the recent crypto bans and limitations. If the market has a strong bull run in 2024, Alchemy's price might raise over 0.83. Because long-term investors are projected to hold it, its average price in 2024 will be approximately 0.71. Alchemy price prediction 2025. The price of Alchemy, $ADS, may have reached its prior all-time high by 2025. According to current trends, we may anticipate an average price of $1.05 by 2025. Alchemy might reach a maximum price of $1.22 in 2025 if all goes according to plan. Cryptocurrency markets have a tendency to dump after a lengthy bull run, and this is nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, guys, these are all for today. I hope you understand, can Alchemy become 1000x? If you enjoyed this video, then please give a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. If you feel like this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know if we should make more videos like this for you guys, because we care about our community. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.